Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my video that I share to my channel. I know you are waiting of my video. So guys, I'm here again. Let's start the video. Here you go. Today my video is about long pixie bob haircut. I am sharing all beautiful, latest, unique pixie bob haircut styles. In this video, I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. You will get all the new, latest, unique, beautiful pixie bob haircut styles in this video. I'm sharing long pixie bob haircut. These long pixie bob haircut will inspire you to cut your hairs. Next, just screenshot your favorite one and go to your hairstylist and let me know also which one you select for yourself. Well, these all hairstyles are really beautiful, gorgeous and beautiful, nice. All celebrities, models, young girls, college going girls are getting these hairstyles these days. These all hairstyles which I'm sharing and showing in this video are really latest, unique and gorgeous. Well, these all long pixie bob hairstyles are really beautiful, nice, according to the fashion. After getting this hairstyle, your personality get more beautiful. These hairstyles will change your look and will enhance the beauty of your look, no doubt. I hope you guys like my video today. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they also can know about the latest fashion of hairstyles and haircuts that I share to my channel daily. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel. You can also share your ideas. I will like to make videos on your ideas. It will be my first priority to make videos on your ideas. Your appreciation give me energetic and keep me boost. So guys, keep remember me in your prayers. I will be there in next video with another your favorite topic. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you all. And again, like, comment and share the video. And have a great hair day.